How to make your travels truly memorable. Perhaps you've booked a dream cruise around the Greek islands, or you're visiting the magical city of Venice. But no matter where you're travelling, how much will you remember in a few years' time? How much of the detail will you retain? How can you make your travels truly memorable? By keeping an illustrated travel journal. Let me show you how. Keep it simple by adding small sketches, or create artistic pages with no drawing skills required. But your skills will improve over time from this to this. And yes, recording the gelato you've sampled is an essential skill. Even your packing list makes an interesting page. Create maps of journeys you've taken or places you've stayed. Engage all your senses. Recording scents will transport you back in time. So join me. Travel the world with your journal. And remember, it's not about creating great art. It's about creating memories. Find out how with our free course and ebook, Travel Journal Basics. You can get your free copy by heading over to travelandart.co. I look forward to seeing you there. Happy travels!